1 minute, 15 seconds to meal time.
Jam Racing.
Here it comes.
Henry
1
Velasco.
minute to meal time.
Peyton Hilton.
Forty-five seconds to meal time.
Dead boat back straightaway. You got lane 8.
30 seconds to meal time.
Dead boat back straightaway. You got lane 6 now. 6 or 7.
15 seconds to meal time.
Dead boat.
29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Good. Dead boat turn 2. You got lane 7 or 8. 7 or 8. Down on the back straightaway also. Lane 2, 1 or 2, you're good. 1, 2 or 3, you're good.
Final lap. Final lap. Jam Racing done. Henry
Hey, you
Velasco
got the
done.
cord to bring him in. Race is over. He does it.